This 2027 NuCamp TAB 320 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 15 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 2, TV, water heater, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, external shower, smoke detector, air conditioning, LP detector, microwave, and 19 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bath, front kitchen, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2027 NuCamp TAB 320 is 2,117 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.